G'day folks, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install a 1961-62 parking brake signal lamp kit. All 1961 Ford passenger cars and 62 can use this kit. This goes to attach to your parking brake, letting you know when it is on, flashing a light on your dash. It requires an installation of a mounting hole in the dash and a hookup to the parking brake cable. Galaxie 500. Alright, let's get this kit open and see what's inside her. Okay, there's everything that came in the kit. Basically, she comes with the instructions, lamp, switch, bracket, and screw, and a sheet. So what has to happen is the old light switch here has to go in your dash bezel. This is the part that's going to flash red when it's hooked up to the parking brake. This is the switch that goes onto the parking brake, attaches like so to the parking brake, and when this switch is depressed, when it's not making, this switch here, when it's not making contact, it's on a little spring. When it is making contact, there's a constant current that goes through. That's when your parking brake is just in the normal position. But when the pedal gets depressed and the brake is on, there's no more connection, and it starts sending a signal to the light to flash red, 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 meaning your parking brake is on until you release it, and then the contact is remade on this little switch. So it's pretty simple. One goes to your ignition switch, one goes to the switch on the parking brake, and then the assembly goes in the dash. There's just a couple screws that screw it on there. The biggest challenge is mounting the new hole on the instrument panel bezel, the turn polished aluminum section. First of all, the first step is going under the dash and circling the hole where the convertible top switch was, and then being able to take the bezel off, the instrument panel bezel, the metal aluminum part, drilling the new hole out to 11/16. Then installing this guy. Then you got to hook it up to your ignition switch on the back and over to there. Not too complicated, but like every Galaxie challenge, a hour project probably turns into about 4 hours. Okay, we'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, I'm under the dash. There is the ignition switch with the accessories attached to it. That is where the new wire from the light has to attach to. And then the challenge is to find the hole, which is right there. That's where the convertible top switch would be. So I have to take the aluminum finish off in the front and drill a hole on there. But in the meantime, as you're in this challenging position, you have to take a marker. Where's my marker? Here it is. And circle the hole. Where did it go? It's there. You have to draw a circle template on the hole with your marker, and then take the bezel off and drill the new hole. So that's where I'm going to get to. I'll pause the video and we'll go to the next step.